for the right vehicle? Check out the 2020 Nissan Altima. The Nissan Altima offers advanced features to make life easier, and most of the features come standard. Combine that with the powerful engine, 6 standard airbags, and over 5,000 quality and performance tests, and you'll see the Nissan Altima is made to drive and built to last. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, remote engine start, keyless entry, traction control, stability control, steering wheel audio controls, lane departure warning, anti-lock braking system, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, auto-dimming rear view mirror, aluminum wheels, 4-wheel disc brakes, cruise control, keyless start, rear defrost, climate control. Come see the car for yourself.